Hello everyone, here at Ken's Sewing Center we are very excited to bring you a special deal. We work with all the manufacturers in the industry to bring you the best deals possible. Today we have got a factory authorized sale from the Grace Company. We've worked together with the Grace Company. They say we can do it. We cannot combine this offer with any other deal, so no coupon codes are going to apply. You must give us a call. The price is too low to even post online, to even post on our video. Right now you can get the 19-inch machine package for the same price of the 16-inch machine. You're going to get the 19-inch machine with the frame, with the light bar, with a 3-piece foot kit, and you're going to get the laser. This machine is going to have 19-inch throat space, all the features of a long arm machine, plus whatever frame is going to suit your needs for the price of a 16-inch. So if you've been thinking about getting a machine, you didn't want to pull the trigger yet because you wasn't sure if you wanted to upgrade or start out at the entry level, right now you can get the upgraded model for the entry level price. Give us a call. We got a full service department. We're going to help you all along the way. We carry all the accessories. We'll give you a deal on everything. You must call us. Please give us a call. This is going to be the deal of a lifetime. It's like nothing I've seen before, probably won't ever see again. So one thing that we must note is this is only going to last for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from today is going to be the deadline on this. So give us a call while we get supplies last and while this authorized event is going on. Thank you.